It looks like nothing, just a lump of corroded bronze, broken and forgotten. But inside, hides gears so advanced it would rewrite history. This is the Antikythera Mechanism, the world's first computer, built over 2,000 years ago. In 1901, sponge divers off the Greek island of Antikythera discovered a shipwreck. Marble statues, jewelry, coins, and a strange green stone that no one could explain. At first, scientists thought it was nothing more than a rock, but beneath the corrosion, they noticed bronze gears, crafted with impossible precision. This artifact would come to be known as the Antikythera Mechanism, a device so complex, nothing like it would appear again until medieval Europe, over 1,000 years later. Who built it? How did the ancient Greeks, without modern tools, create something so intricate? Historians had no answers. When examined with X-ray imaging in the 20th century, the truth emerged. Inside were over 30 interlocking gears, each cut with astonishing accuracy. The mechanism could predict eclipses, track the positions of the moon, sun, and planets, and even calculate the timing of the ancient Olympic Games. Its engineering was so advanced, it would take humanity over 1,000 years to build something similar. The Antikythera Mechanism shattered our timeline of technology. Some believe it was created by followers of Archimedes, the genius inventor of Syracuse. Others think it was a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, lost with its creator. To the Greeks, the universe was a machine. The Antikythera device was their attempt to make sense of the cosmos and hold it in their hands. On its front, a dial predicted when the sun would darken or when the moon would turn red in shadow. Not magic, not prophecy, pure calculation. It tracked the movement of planets across the night sky, a miniature model of the heavens hidden inside a bronze box. One dial even counted down to the next Olympic Games, reminding us that science and culture were deeply intertwined in the ancient world. But here's the question. If the Greeks could build this, what else did they invent that never survived? Was the Antikythera Mechanism unique, or just the last survivor of a forgotten tradition? After the fall of Greece and Rome, this level of engineering vanished. For centuries, humanity forgot how to make gears like these. Only with medieval clockmakers did the world begin to see similar technology again. But by then, the Greeks' knowledge was long gone. Even today, scientists are still reconstructing the mechanism, piece by piece. Modern replicas show just how stunningly accurate it really was. The Antikythera Mechanism forces us to ask how much ancient knowledge has been lost. How many inventions vanished in shipwrecks, fires, or forgotten libraries? To us, it's a relic. To the ancients, it was the cutting edge of science, the world's first computer, long before the word even existed. Sometimes history advances, sometimes it forgets. The Antikythera Mechanism is proof that brilliance can appear, disappear, and wait centuries to be rediscovered. This is Microdocs, forgotten inventions, ancient mysteries, and lost worlds brought to life. Subscribe for more stories that prove history is stranger than fiction.